Hi everyone, today I will talk about some tech tools that can be used in the classroom. Here are three tools that I selected: Chemix, ListenWise, and Class 123. Chemix is an online tool that creates virtual chemistry, physics, and biology lab for drawing scientific lab diagrams easily. It offers 180 plus instruments with consistent design and correct relative proportions to create clean, professional label diagrams. It is also designed to help both students and teachers illustrate and annotate laboratory setups in minutes. Why I select this tech tool? Because Chemix not only allow teachers to create virtual lab in class to interact with students, but also ensures the safety of teachers and students. So how Chemix, this tech tool, impact the teachers' teaching and students' learning? Teachers can use Chemix to create teaching materials, for example, worksheets or Google Slides. Chemix help teachers to use visualization teaching in the class. Teachers can create diagrams, illustrations, and animated GIFs that walk through a scientific concept. Visual teaching can effectively attract students' attention, and students can intuitively understand scientific concepts as opposite to hearing the concept being explained. Teachers can assess students' understanding by checking their creations. When students are asked to use this tool in class to complete their own lab diagrams, the teacher can assess whether they are fully aware of the class content by focusing on their progress and completion. Students can use Chemix to familiarize themselves with scientific lab instruments. Some of the science labs in the school have incomplete or damaged instruments, but Chemix happens to help the teachers and students in teaching and learning because it offers 180 plus instruments with consistent design and correct relative proportions. In addition, using Chemix in class can make sure that students learn about these lab instruments without causing damage to them. Because this is an online tool, therefore, it can ensure that the institute is able to perform a variety of experiments in a safe environment. This can also improve students' hands-on ability. In addition, teachers use Chemix to create a student-centered class. Using Chemix, students can create their own lab materials in class. This gives students opportunities to control and take charge of their own learning and improve their creative skills. Student-centered learning is an in-depth study of how students can use Chemix to teach themselves and others. This helps them to improve their skills of communication and collaboration. It gives students control over processes that they could only have imagined before and makes their thinking about lab procedure visible. The next tool is called ListenWise. ListenWise provides varieties of fascinating educational podcasts for different grade levels. Literacy and language support are great for English learners. Large library of listening comprehension assessments. So why I choose this tech tool? Because ListenWise is unique in its focus on developing listening skills. So how ListenWise impact the teachers and students? Teachers can encourage students to participate in class by using the ListenWise podcasts. Listening to relevant content at the beginning of a lesson or before learning a new concept can help students understand the background of the topic and activate their previous knowledge. ListenWise podcast helps students keep up with current events. The teacher can set aside time at the beginning of a class every day or every week to let students listen to the news. This allows students to understand what is happening in the world around them. And then the teacher asks students to choose one to write, summarize, and discuss in class. This can improve students' listening, writing, critical thinking, creative, and communication skills. Lesson-wise focus can facilitate student-centered learning. Students can search or browse all courses and current events, personalize their learning, and choose what to listen to. Lesson-wise helps teachers get students to develop critical literacy skills while exploring topics of interest to them. Customizable assignments and optional student-centered support tools enable teachers to provide different scaffolding based on individual or small group learning needs. For example, interactive transcripts, slowed audio, and embedded dictionaries can offer extra support to students who need it. The interactive transcript progress in sync with the audio, highlighting words as they are read aloud, allowing students to follow along with the audio story in print, and stopping to replay words or passages as needed. This is especially helpful for English language learners or students with learning disabilities. This additional support can help all learners access the same content. Supports can be customized for each assignment, informed by student performance data, and modified as needed. Lesson-wise provides students with multiple-choice quizzes in most postcard stories. The quizzes are automatically graded, giving teachers and students immediate feedback. There's a picture of the data from a quiz in one class. Teachers can see the student performance, listening skills data, and the time spent on quizzes. The red, yellow, green color coding on the report allows teachers to quickly see which students may need extra help. As students take more quizzes, their cumulative quiz data will be shown in this report. This data allow teachers to evaluate and have a deeper understanding of students' listening status and help teachers to provide personalized guidance and feedback. The last tool is called Class 123. Class 123 is a classroom management system and teaching tool that is suitable for all courses. Class 123 is an online classroom tool that helps improve students' behavior with cool animated feedback. Class 123 also has many features, including a parent alert system, built-in interactive chatbots, on-screen timers, the ability to select students at random, and the ability to group students by skating plan and reward students once. The reason why select this tool is the setting whole class goal is a useful, unique feature. Students can earn golden X when a certain number of wall cards are awarded, leading to a whole class buy-in and community rewards. So how these tools to impact teachers and students? Teachers can use Class 123 to manage class. This tool has a seat editor feature. This can help teachers group students or arrange seats and show them to students. Teachers also can collect the data on students' behavior and provide feedback to students very quickly and easily via computers and mobile phones. Class 123 also can motivate students, for example, wall card and no card. Teachers can use a tool to grade students and reward them with a card for positive behavior. Points can be withdrawn in the event of misbehavior. Each card makes a little animation or sound before the student wins or loses. Wall cards provide positive feedback, and no cards provide negative feedback. This can motivate students to do more positive behaviors. Between the app and the website with a built-in blackboard, the teachers can easily display the website on the blackboard throughout the day. Students can see cute graphics and animations, which can attract students' attention. They may like to set goals for the class and work towards them. At the same time, students can see how close they are to achieving their goals. In addition, some features of Class 123 can make classes easier. For example, the wheel picker, the timer, and the notes meter. Wheel picker is characterized by randomness. When applied in the classroom, a student will be randomly selected from the class list. For example, the teachers can use it to randomly select a student to answer a question or to randomly select a gift for a student to be rewarded. This can take the pressure off the teacher. At the same time, the class is full of unknown feelings, which can make students feel stimulated and excited. To help students and teachers organize their time better, Class 123 also provides timers. This can help teachers better track the time and arrange the following tasks. Visual timers also can help students manage their own time for classroom tasks, tests, assignments, and so on, so they know when to expect their transition time. Another handy feature is a noise meter. The noise meter measures and detects the actual noise in the classroom, then shows a level in real time and displays it on the screen. Every student can see it. So, noise meters can help remind students of the appropriate volume in the classroom at a given time. So, there's my references. That's all. Thank you.